Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the FingerBallet Portable Piano Keyboard, a semi-weighted, folding digital piano with 88 full-size keys that offers a realistic playing experience akin to a traditional piano. This compact and foldable design is perfect for musicians on the go, allowing you to easily transport and store it without sacrificing the quality of your performance, thanks to its built-in high-capacity battery that lets you play anywhere, anytime. With Bluetooth MIDI capabilities, you can seamlessly connect to your mobile device's DAW software apps, transforming your FingerBallet piano into a wireless MIDI controller for hassle-free recording. Explore a world of musical possibilities with 128 tones, 128 rhythms, and 20 demo songs, featuring sounds from electric pianos, organs, and strings, perfect for experimenting with different styles and collaborating with others. This lightweight, road-ready instrument comes with a full suite of accessories, including a carrying bag, music holder, manual, charger, USB cable, sustain pedal, and a 1-year service agreement, ensuring you have everything you need to start playing right out of the box. Whether you're an adult, toddler, or kid, the FingerBallet Portable Piano Keyboard is designed to inspire musicians of all ages and skill levels. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.